Hello friends, welcome to ProTalent and I'm Nitin Parmar. I welcome you all for this, capsule module on the current affair. My dear students, recently this Arbitration Conciliation Amendment Ordinance 2020 has been passed to amend the Arbitration and Conciliation Act of 1996. So you may ask, sir, what is this arbitration? What is this conciliation? Let us start and understand about it. Okay. So my dear students, when there are dispute happening between various parties, okay, generally in the civil cases, okay, generally you can say the fights are happening between companies, okay, or between, let's say, customers and the companies, okay. Many times the methods available are alternate dispute resolution, which is popularly known as ADR. What is ADR? Alternate dispute resolution. So when there is a dispute available, where is a standard method is you file a case, okay, you go to the sessions court, then you go to the district court, then you go to the high court, then you go to the Supreme Court. This is how the process is. Yes or no? Now you understand that this judiciary system is packed with lot of cases, the past cases. Okay, so many judgments are still pending, and when such kind of disputes are going there, it will take a lot of time. Number one, it will consume a lot of money. Because it takes a lot of time, it will consume a lot of money. And many times when the judgments are out, there is no value of that judgment, because by the time in a civil scenario people are acquainted, or people might have sorted out something on their own. Okay, so my dear students, it is a need of the hour that India has a robust arbitration and conciliation system. We would like to become the international arbitration hub in the world. This is the aim we have. But so far, we have not put any concrete efforts for this arbitration. Whenever dispute happens between two parties in a civil matter, like what happened between Amazon and the Future Group, they went to Singapore arbitration. Yes or no? Okay. So this is how it happens. So within that background, let us understand what is this Arbitration Conciliation Amendment Ordinance. What is the difference between arbitration, mediation, conciliation? Okay, this is what we will try and understand. This all are legal methods, you can say, to sort out problems between the parties, generally in the civil cases. If we talk about international, you can say, forum, that is in the, you can say, American system. In American system, even within the litigation, when the case is going on in the court, okay, many times the, you can say, lawyers come out, you can say, and go for out of court settlement, where the judge also accepts that. Okay, out of court settlement is very common. If we talk about Stella Liebeck versus McDonald's case, okay, it was out of court settlement. Okay, there are so many cases where out of court settlement takes place. So my dear students, in India, we are not acquainted with this idea, though we started this act in 1996, okay, primarily to handle, you can say, domestic and international arbitration. Okay, this is known as ADR, alternate dispute resolution. ADR, there are four ways. One is known as arbitration, it is a binding award. Okay, second is conciliation, it is no binding, it is recommendation. Okay, that you conciliate among yourselves. Okay, it is mediation, okay, which is facilitated negotiation. This is negotiation when two parties voluntarily agree, they don't need any third person in between, and then they negotiate among themselves. That is called negotiation. When we say mediation, it is a third party involved, so that means it is facilitated negotiation. A third party helps them to manage. Okay, when we talk about conciliation, the conciliator explains them the nuances of law, repercussions of the law, you can say, those kind of things are being provided. And then there is arbitration. Okay, arbitration is more binding in nature. Okay, so remember, arbitration or arbitrator will go beyond explaining going for conciliation between the party. He awards the judgment. Okay, so thereby he goes for the evidences, he goes for all the necessary, you can say, information, and he comes out to some kind of decision. Here the mediator in the conciliation matter, you can say the mediator helps people to understand what are the legal consequences. Would you like to go for this legal consequences or not? If not, then you agree, you conciliate today. This is how ADR works. Four ways of ADR. One, the parties, they do themselves. Yes or no? They don't need third party. Okay. In mediation, they need third party. Yes or no? In conciliation, it is something more than that. Conciliator helps them to go beyond the normal circumstances. It helps them to understand the legal, you can say, consequence of it. And arbitrator will actually go for exactly like a, you can say, judge will be doing it, but this is alternate dispute resolution. It is binding. Okay, so India started Arbitration Conciliation Act in 1996. Now we amended it. What are the important amendments? One, stay on arbitral awards. My dear students, as per the current provision, final arbitral awards could have been stayed as soon as either of the parties moves an application to the court for this purpose. So when the arbitration, you can say, proceedings are going on, and then arbitral awards, so arbitrator has given an award कि भैया ये decision होगा, ठीक है. So then you can say the party immediately goes to the court, ठीक है, तो ये arbitral award के ऊपर stay लग जाएगा. Now amendment says that arbitral award would not be automatically stayed unless the court is satisfied on two grounds: relevant of arbitration agreement or a contract it mentions, and second, fraud or corruption influence the making of the award. So in case if the arbitration award is based on fraud or corruption, then they can stop it. Okay, or if there is an agreement, within the agreement, within the contract, it is mentioned that look, we can say if they do not agree with the arbitration, they can go to the court, and therefore court will take into consideration. Based on this, court will take a decision whether, you can say, there would be a stay on the arbitration award or not. Okay, so this is the new change. Earlier it was automatic. As soon as one of the party goes to the higher court, okay, there is automatic stay. Now there is no automatic stay. There has to be condition to be provided. My dear students, this kind of conditions will help. This kind of conditions will help people, you can say, to, you can say, not unnecessarily put a stay order. Okay, so for example, what happened in Amazon and Future Group case? Okay, and the Future Group went to Delhi High Court. Okay, so thereby you can say there was an automatic stay on the arbitration award. Okay, so this is how it happened. Okay, so what are the another amendment being made? They made amendment about the benchmark qualification of the arbitrators. Yes or no? These are the following conditions have been provided. He must be an advocate under Advocates Act of 1961 with 10 years of experience, which means that person must be advocate in India. Number one, he must have an experience, we can say, of the Indian legal system, that is Constitution of India, and he must be an officer of Indian legal service. These are the conditions being put in. Okay, these are the amendments being made. So let us understand that what is the difference between mediation, arbitration, conciliation. I've given you a basic background. Now let me go and give you more detail about this idea. Dosto, this is a part of, you can say, alternative dispute resolution. It saves time, it saves energy, it saves money. Okay, so this is very crucial. In India, we have a system of Lok Adalat. Recently, someone from, you can say, I think Bihar, you can say, has put a case against Narendra Modi in Lok Adalat. Yes or no? So there a kind of alternate dispute resolution will take place. Yes or no? Sharia court for Muslims. Yes or no? So that is also a like ADR. Okay, like ADR. So what is the difference between arbitration and mediation? So when we talk about mediation, it is a mode of ADR where mediator is appointed to resolve dispute between two parties without course of litigation. Litigation में नहीं जाएंगे. Parties may opt to adhere to final settlement or they may withdraw. So when mediator gives a decision that this is a final step you have to do, they may agree, they may not. Generally, here it is a win-win situation is being provided, okay, and thereby generally the final decision is on the mutual consent. When we talk about conciliation, okay, it is done by conciliator. Conciliator is appointed to resolve the dispute. He meets parties separately to enter into an amicable agreement. It's a more flexible system. Okay, it helps them to understand what is their problem. Okay, helps them to, you can say, reach to a kind of solution. Though final decision is not binding on the parties. Okay, while arbitration, you can say they appoint a third party as an arbitrator. Remember, decision of arbitrator is binding on both the parties. Remember, none of them can withdraw. It is really not possible. So here you can say in various other method, parties have, you can say in withdrawal. Okay, whether in a mediation or whether in a conciliation. No, arbitration may be with a mutual consent or many times under contractual obligation or by the order of a court. So in the recent cases, okay, in the arbitration case, okay, of, you can say, this Future Group, Amazon and Reliance, okay, these parties they went to Singapore International Arbitration Center for their dispute resolution. They were not happy, especially Future Group was not happy. They went to the court. Delhi High Court gave an order to them that whatever is the judgment by arbitration of Singapore, okay, that is binding on this deal. Okay, so this is how the scenario is. I'm sure with this small module you are able to understand that exactly what is this arbitration, conciliation, mediation all about. I hope it is very clear. Great दोस्तों, thank you very much for watching this. ठीक है, and all the best for your preparation.